hey, please subscribe. Thank you. Hey guys, what's good? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Barbara, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys my new headband wig. So this is basically what the packaging looks like, guys. Starting from the packaging to the way the head feels to what is inside the package, this company really does know what they're doing. Like, I've fallen in love, guys. I love Nia Wigs, no kidding. Everything was just really nice. I just did not have any complaints, literally. This is like the softest hair that I have received from a company before. Like, it's really nice. Don't forget, the link to this hair will be in the description box as always. All the details you want for this hair will be there. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me in the comment section below. I'll reply you as soon as I can. Yes, that's basically it. I'll see you guys in the video. Bye. Okay guys, so this is basically the hair that I'm going to be using today. It was packaged so nicely. I already unraveled it, obviously, so it's like not as neat as it was before, but it was such a cute packaging. If you're on my Instagram, you see that I posted and I was like, I don't want to open it because it was so cute. But yeah, that is basically how it was packaged. This is what the hair looks like straight out of the pack. It is so gorgeous. Like, the curls are just amazing. Like, look at those, guys. Like, so beautiful, so beautiful. Anyway, this is what the inside of the cap looks like. It has one comb right here. It has two combs on the side, so one here and one right here, and also one big comb for the back of your neck as well. It also comes with two adjustable straps right here and right here to help you tighten your wig or make it loose depending on what you want. And then it also comes with the headband attached to the wig, and it has Velcro, so which is pretty secure actually. So you just put that, and that's how secure it is. So yeah, that's basically the construction of the wig. I'm gonna put this on now. I'm super excited. I haven't worn this wig before this video because I was just like, I was like, I want to see what this wig will look like. I want to be surprised on camera, just the same time as you guys. Anyway, so this is it. Oh, so pretty. Okay, this is cute. I love it. I love the length. Ooh, wow. Okay, this is cute actually. Anyway, I'm gonna secure the Velcro at the back now. All right, so this is what the wig is looking like. I'm going to go ahead and try to style it a little better. So I'm just gonna push this backwards a bit. So I'm just using my hand now to pick it out so that it's a little bigger. Guys, this hair feels so good. Like, are you seeing how I'm just pulling it and it's not tangling? Like, it just feels really great. Like, I'm super impressed. I'm super duper impressed. This could get really big. You just have to do it for a while. Like, wow, this is great quality hair, guys. Great quality. No kidding. From all that pulling and trying to make this hair look big, this is the only hair that came out. That is just crazy. That's amazing. This hair is dry. There is no water on it, straight out of the pack. I haven't put one product, not even one drop of water on this hair, and I was able to make it bigger, and this is the only amount of hair that came out of dry curly hair. That is amazing. That is I'm amazed. Like, sincerely, I'm not even, wow. So I wanted to show you guys what this hair looks like outside. This is the texture outside. It's really cute. I'm facing the sun now so you guys can see it properly. Hope you guys can see it. But yeah, my makeup looks good though. Hey. This is really cute. I love it. Sorry for all the noise. I'm not with my mic outside. So this is basically it. You can go out like this if you would like. I'm going to show you guys some headbands that they sent me, which are really cute. So yes guys, that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, check out my other videos, and please leave a comment in the section below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.